Okay, so in today's video we are going to learn how to download a DEM file from USGS Explorer. This is the Tafo municipality of Ghana, of the Ashanti region of Ghana, and I want to create flood risk analysis map or flood risk assessment map of this area, and the requirements are elevation, slope, and like distance to river, drainage density, and with all these you need DEM file to create them. So I need a DEM file. How do I get the DEM file? That is what I am going to show you in this video. So I am at USGS Explorer. Let me select the address, please Google. Alright, Kumasi, Ghana. Yeah, so Kumasi, Ghana is here. Have you seen it? Kote, Kumasi, Ghana. So this is it. Then I'll zoom in to Kumasi. So this is Kumasi, Ghana. At Kumasi, I am interested in Tafo. Have you seen it? This is old Tafo. So I'll delete this particular polygon, then create a polygon around Tafo. Do you get it? Then I'll go to data sets, then I'll go to digital elevation, SRTM, and I'll choose the first one, SRTM1 Arc-Second Global. Then I'll select that one. Then I'll see the results. I only got one. This is it, and God being so good, it is covering this side. Have you seen it? It is covering the entire area. So I'll move ahead. So I will go ahead and hit the download button. So I have GeoTIFF DTED 1 arc, but I'll download the GeoTIFF. I'll select the download button. So now it is downloading. Have you seen it over here? Yes. So let us wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, so the data is done downloading, so I'll go to the File Explorer, and this is it. This is it. So I can even name it Tafo. Do you get it? Then I'll just copy or cut it, then locate this particular folder, and paste it here. So Tafo DEM. Yeah, so when I am done, now let me open the ArcGIS software. So this is it, and let me refresh the folder. So this is Tafo DEM, so I can drag it. You get it? So this is the DEM file. So when I am ready to use it, you see the whole area. So I'll just cut or clip this area and start working with it. I can create elevation map for this. I can create elevation out of this. I can create slope. I can create contour map. And you can actually delineate river from a DEM file. Yes, I'll do it in one of my subsequent videos. So kindly be around. Yes, and aside downloading a DEM from USGS Explorer, do you know you can actually create a DEM from Google Earth Pro software? Yes, you can use Google Earth Pro to actually create a DEM file. If you can watch this video, and this video guide you on that. Yes, how you can easily create a DEM file from Google Earth Pro. It's very easy as compared to this. Yes, so check out that video. And like I said, in my next video I will actually use this particular DEM to create an elevation map, slope. I will use it to also delineate rivers, and I'll use it to actually create drainage density map, distance from river map, for a flood risk assessment map that I want to create. So thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.